Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can reset your password on Odoo, so let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, currently I'm on my dashboard and I'll be explaining to you guys how you can reset your password from within here. However, I'll also be explaining, however, in my own words, how you can reset it from outside in case you have forgotten it. So let's get right into it, and the first thing I'm gonna do is when I'm logged into my dashboard, go into your account section in the top right and click on my profile. This will take you to this page right over here where you then need to go into account security. And as you can see, the first tab, call it whatever you want, the first section is password management. This will give you the button to change your password, so just click on that, where you need to confirm your identity by entering your old password. Now, I won't be doing this, however, in case you want to change it, you need to enter your old password, and then it'll give you the prompt to enter your new password as well as confirm it by entering it again. Now, as you can see, you have your forgot password button right over here, which is a very nice addition since usually sites have that only on the login page. However, this site and this service has it here as well, which is again very useful. So you can just click on this. In case you have forgotten your password, you will be getting a password reset email, which you can very easily just access your email inbox. Go over there and click on the link, which will serve as identification to make sure that it is you, and then you can go ahead and change your password, add the new one, repeat it just to confirm it, and that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.